Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and open this and do an unboxing really quick. This is the AISIN TKT-021 timing belt kit. It's the one that comes with a tensioner. And this goes, in this case, it's going to do a 4.7 V8 Toyota Sequoia 2005. And let's open it up. Let's see what we got inside. Okay, got fairly detailed instructions on where everything's supposed to line up with, which that's good to know. Some packaging paper. We'll get that out of here. Take a look inside. We've got the timing belts. It's like some pulley kits in there. Oh, there's the that's the water pump right there. It's the main reason I'm actually opening this right now. I'm in the middle of doing the timing belt. Here is, what is this here? This looks like the tensioner. Yeah, that's the tensioner. And here is one of the pulleys. Okay, so I'm gonna set this over on my workbench really quick, and I will go ahead and open each one individually. All right, so I guess I'll just take them over there and open them individually. So we got the timing belt, and then timing belt replacement sticker. That's handy to have. And the water pump, set that out. And the water pump gasket. Actually, it looks like it's the gasket kit for the whole thing. So we've got the water pump gasket, which has got, looks like something rubberized on it, and then two O-rings. Figured out where those go. I know one of them's for the, like the inlet for the water pump. And then what else do we have here? We've got this, which is one of the bearings, it looks like. There, so that is one of the pulleys. Set that aside for a second. Let's get this one. This is the tensioner, brand new tensioner. And then this is the actual tensioner. The hydraulic tensioner with the grenade pin in place, good to go. And what's this here? Just a little apply 15. Okay, so that's a little quick instruction card for the O-ring. So it looks like is that the thermostat housing? Yes, that's the thermostat housing. So that other O-ring in this kit is for the thermostat housing. So there you have it. That is everything that is in the TK-021 AISIN kit for doing the timing belt. So thanks for watching. Work hard, play hard, be a big softie when you get home. And if I don't see you again, have a good life.
Be sure to check out the link in the description below for Jeep and overlanding t-shirts, mountain bike related t-shirts, or other loud and obnoxious Jeep shirts.
This mountain bike shirt.
Van life t-shirts, cool t-shirts like this one right here that tells everybody you're not a cyclist, you are a mountain biker.
Kids t-shirt!
And other cool shirts like this one right here.
Buy my dad's t-shirts so we don't have to live out on the street.
This video you've been watching is on my main channel. I have a dedicated channel to just doing overland type stuff, or whether it be a Jeep or Sequoia or anything like that. So if you want to see just that type of video, there's a link in the description below. Just go ahead and click on that and it'll take you over to that channel. You can subscribe there and see just these types of videos. Otherwise, subscribe here if you want to see, well, what you've been watching, and also mountain biking and whatever else I happen to throw up there. Again, thanks for watching. Work hard, play hard, be a big softie when you get home.